Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I want to, along with Dory's Dollies, invite you to join in on our monthly challenges. We do three. We have an Amaya Raine Day, a Dolls Gone Goth Day, and also a Hi Barbies Day. Dolls Gone Goth is on the 16th of each month, and you can use any doll and interpret goth any way you want. For April, on the 16th, we are going to do Bad Bunny. Won't that be fun? I'm not sure what everybody will come up with, but that will really be fun. And Dory must have something in mind. On the 18th of each month, Dory and I do Hi Barbie, and that is any doll you want to use. For April the 18th at 10 a.m., each of these will be uploaded at 10 a.m. on their specific dates.
Central Time.
Central Time. Thank you for saying that. April is going to be, for Barbie, jelly beans and or Easter eggs. Yeah, and then can you believe, Darren, we're talking about May for Amaya Raine?
No, I can't believe it.
Seriously. This coming May, which is right around the corner, for Amaya Raine, we're going to, the theme will be yellow, any kind of yellow. An outfit, a setting, a room, we don't care. What we want is for you to just join in. Now for the Amaya Raine, you can use any, and I mean any size, any color, shadow high or rainbow high doll. I like using my 24-inch Amaya Raine. It gives me a reason to show her off each month. Dory, thank you so much. This really keeps me organized and showing some of my dolls I might not have. Thank you for joining in, and when you do, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.